Hey guys, welcome to another video and welcome to Jet's Naked Beach.
If you're planning a vacation to Puerto Vallarta, you've likely heard of Jet's Naked Boat Tour. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience on the tour, and then at the end, we'll break down what I loved and a few things that could make it even better. So come along and stick with us for this cheeky adventure. Your tour kicks off with check-in at the meeting point in the romantic zone. Look for the Jet's tour employees in red. They're easy to spot. Other operators may try to lure you over, but stay focused. We got our wristbands and waited for the fun to start. Right on time, we split into our two groups and headed to the pier to board the boats. They're pretty basic, but they get the job done. The guides were super helpful and friendly, getting everyone on board quickly. Once all were settled, we set off for our private beach. The ride takes about 40 minutes, so settle in for some time on the water. To keep things lively, the guides cranked up the music, danced, and handed out beers and refreshments. I had already downed 2 by the time we arrived. After the boat ride, you finally arrive at Jet's Naked Beach. There's no dock, so it takes a bit of care to disembark safely. The guides will help. They encourage you to leave anything you won't need behind. I managed to fit all my stuff, including my clothes, into my backpack, so I brought it along, but I did leave my shoes to keep them dry. Once there, it's time to relax. The staff set up umbrellas for everyone, and we laid out towels and got comfy for the day. The beach itself is stunning, with big rock formations and even a small cave to explore. Most of it's shaded by huge trees, so you won't fry in the sun. There were a few more stray dogs wandering around than I had expected, but they kept to themselves and weren't a bother. After setup, the staff opened up the included bar with plenty of options, mostly vodka, rum, and tequila drinks, plus water and beer. We stayed busy all day, playing in the water, climbing the rocks, exploring the cave, chatting with other guests, and just chilling. About halfway through, they served a light snack. It was tasty, but not super filling. If you're like me and get hungry easily, consider bringing extra snacks. Sadly, all good things must come to an end, and before we knew it, it was time to head back. The guides split us into our groups again and helped us board the boats. On the ride home, they kept the party vibe going with more dancing and even a few shots for the guests. I had hit my personal drink limit, so I just soaked in the scenery. You arrive back at the dock in the romantic zone, and your Jet's Naked Boat Tour wraps up. I'm not going to keep you in suspense. This is a solid 5 out of 5 experience overall. I highly recommend this tour to anyone craving something out of the ordinary in a beautiful tropical paradise. It's amazing value for the money. Open bar, included snacks, and a private beach with no annoying vendors or polluted water like at the resort beaches. I've done this trip 3 times with Jets, and I will definitely book it again. That's all I got for you this video. I hope it helps you make the most of your next Puerto Vallarta vacation. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more adventures. If you have questions, ask away in the comments, and until next time, thanks for watching.